Hello guys. So I got back from my first stage events as an actor. I was actually excited but really anxious. I tried to do my best to go by the script, but it never worked out. I was really anxious. I was really nervous. The TV series that I was on was Judge Millan. I think the episode's going to come out in the next couple of months. Hopefully they'll air our episode. But yeah, I'm looking forward to my journey through acting. I mean, it's something that I always enjoy doing, or something I always want to explore just because I like to be in character, like being in my own world. And I always like to create something, be a part of something. It's like me with video games. I don't really necessarily like playing video games as much anymore, but I love like the process of making, 3D models. And, with movies, I want to be a part of that, process of creating. The studio there, I think it's called, I can't even remember the studio's name. I'm so tired. I had really bad sleep apnea last night, so as you can tell, my voice and my concentration on what I'm talking about is kind of going all over the place. But I have a good feeling it's going to bring me somewhere wonderful. Just haven't figured out what that is next. I know tomorrow I'm going to meet up with Wayne Brady. Let's make a deal. That one's not necessarily paid, but you are winning prizes. So hopefully I'll get some month's rent or something even greater. Who knows? Hopefully I can get Wayne Brady to be my first client for my travel business. But yeah, I'm trying to put time little by little with all the things I'm interested in. Not only just in acting. Of course, it took all day today. It took like a whole 6 hours, but I was getting paid $20 an hour, so I can't complain. But unfortunately, it's only a one-time thing. The only thing I can reapply for is an audience. So hopefully they'll reach out to me and ask. Or maybe I'll just bump into someone who can offer me some other work as an actor. Yeah, I met some good people. The studio was filled with very friendly staff. It was like, again, like I was nervous and anxious, but after the day, it just felt great and relieving. I just wish I was getting the right amount of rest that I need, because then you can probably see my more enthusiastic side of me and hear me speak more fluently. But hey, you know what? One step at a time, right? I just got to keep on going. I will continue with other vlogs shortly about my journey through the US. It's just I'm trying to stay consistent with these video vlogs. And hopefully you guys witness my transformation, if anyone's watching. If you are, comment down below. I would really appreciate that. But yeah, like I said, it's a different experience, but it was very fun. I'm glad I moved to California for this opportunity. And I thank God, thank the universe, thank life for that. And anyone who's watching this video, I really appreciate you guys being a part of my journey. And the ones who are not watching, thank you for still being around and living life. All right, well, I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. I'll probably do one more vlog about tomorrow, which is, I mean, I'm gonna talk about let's make a deal tomorrow, and then after that, I'm gonna, I guess, try to continue on with the journey. I don't know yet. I'm gonna just follow what feels right and trust my inner guidance. Thank you guys for watching.